Okay, Anand.
What's up?
So what are we doing here?
We are packing boxes. We are with the box makers.
Can you just show me how do you do it?
Yes, right here, buddy.
Okay.
That's how pros do it. That's it.
Okay. So how many of you have made?
I think maybe around 200.
Oh, that's a lot of boxes, Anand. Good job. Let's see what others are doing. Vijay, hey, what's going on?
6 boxes and going strong.
Going. So are you going to keep those red ones for home?
Yes, and the baggy pants I have something.
Oh, okay. Okay. It's a good team also. So how many boxes did you guys make?
6 or 7, something like that.
Okay. So everybody's a 6 or 7. 8, 9. Okay. So what are you guys throwing in the middle there?
Rotten bell peppers.
Oh. Oh man. Are these rotten ones? Are they going to go for a bell pepper puree or something? Yeah, okay. Amir, how's life? So what are you trying to search here very delicately? Say something.
Oh,
It's a video, yeah. What are you doing?
trying to help humanity.
Oh, humanity. Okay, good. Let me see what the other guys are. Hey, you guys changed from here to here? What happened? You were here? Oh, okay. Hey, Kiran,
Yes, sir.
how's it going?
Hey, it's going great.
Oh, okay.
I don't know how to pick a bell pepper.
Oh, okay. Hey, guys, don't throw at me, okay? I'm just taking a video. Okay. Oh, man.
I asked for paper doll. He said that's okay. Don't worry about
Hey, Kiran, there's a lot of boxes here. We need to fill them up quick, okay?
it. Yes.
Okay. So,
Yes, sir.
yeah, we have a lot of boxes the other side. You guys need to... Hey, you guys, how are you doing?
Yeah, we're doing pretty good actually. So this is my first box.
Oh, it's
Still
a...
working on it.
Oh, okay. So are they going to cut? Because see, everything else is cut. And yours is still full. What's going on? See, theirs is also cut. See? So are you guys doing this with a lot of love? I mean, there's no love here. Just go... Passion? Okay, keep throwing ASAP as much as you can. Hey, what's this here? It's all fungus?
See?
Some bird nest.
Okay, thank God you're wearing gloves. Okay.
Bird nest.
Hey, you have the yellow ones here.
Oh, yellow ones are cool.
Yeah.
Live in that corner is problem.
Oh, okay. Tiring, man. Anand, what do you think?
I think so, dude.
Wow, look at how much it was here.
I know.
Took it all the way till here. This much amount of boxes and
Look at all these
we
boxes.
have the boxes. And we have a friend out here. Say hi to him. Anthony. Yeah, we shouldn't forget Anthony. He's the guy who's motivating us, right, Anthony? Yeah, without you, we would not be more alive.
I just do my job.
I know you do it pretty good, Anthony. Okay, so look at Vijay.
Alright, so what we're probably going to do is we're going on water.
All right. Man, they have done a lot of stuff. Pretty good. Very nice.
Yeah, a lot of action. Especially this one is almost empty.
Yeah. Okay. That one or that one? Go. All right. Go. I don't want unbusy hands.
No, see, there's a box overflow.
What?
There's a box overflow. We're waiting for it to go.
Talking to the wrong guy, dude. Serious. Way too serious back here.
Hey, no man, it's no good.
This is just too much seriousness going on.
It's no good, right?
Eh? No, that's not good. This is really way too serious. Way.
Way too serious. Yeah, that's right.
Are you guys as serious at work?
No.
Are you guys really serious? You guys are really boring.
Provide some entertainment here.
We have a highway.
Anand, Anand, we need somebody to provide entertainment.
Coming down to you guys' work of giving you all comedy lessons.
Yes.
You guys are way too serious for my taste. And it's Friday. Lighten up some. Have a little fun.
Yeah, we are having fun.
Hey, where's the beer?
We're almost done. Only 5 minutes.
You guys are like enjoy. More or less. You don't scare me. I don't know why. It's like, don't make me get the flying monkeys out.
Hey.
I don't get serious. I hate serious. Serious is all that.
Yeah.
Box number?
Big one.
Right.
Oh, good God. You should have seen the size of this thing. Oh, my God. He was probably like that long from head to tail. And he was probably easily that big around. Where was this? Right out back. That's what that big barbecue is for. Yeah. We brought him out there and cooked him up. We had some corn on the cob and baked potatoes. It was all good.
Oh, so
I'm with like Vijay plus 1 boxes.
oh man, Vijay, you're behind.
21.
So Vijay, you?
I'm 23.
Vijay,
And I'm also helping Vijay. He like finishes last 21st.
This is my box.
you know how many boxes I did? I did more than 350 boxes.
Wow.
I did more than 1,000 peppers.
Oh, so are you Sergeant Peppers? Hey, he's Sergeant Peppers.
Oh, Sergeant Pepper.
He's Sergeant Peppers.
No, Pepper King. Pepper King.
He comes inside this barrel.
What?
Queen.
Come from inside this bag like that.
Pepper Queen.
Pepper what?
Pepper Queen. Pepper Hot.
And he's Sergeant Peppers.
Sergeant Pepper. So, hey, there's too much, man. So, last box?
No, now I get to run you guys around the building. You guys get to sweep up, mop the floors. Oh, and Pete, didn't you say your car needed washing?
Oh man, is that a part of Second Harvest?
Yeah.
All right.
How many?
Everybody from Cisco, come on over here to me.
Come on, don't be scared.
You guys did 7,752 pounds of bell pepper. 4 tons. And those will be on people's tables shortly. That is really cool. So let's hear
job,
it for
guys.
Cisco.
Good job.
So Kiran, tired? Anand, how's your back?
It's nice.
So far, okay. I'll know tonight.
Oh, okay.
Maybe tomorrow.